Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get an Admirals Club one-day pass from American Airlines. This is perfect if you're looking for a comfortable place to relax before your flight without committing to a full membership. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and head over to aa.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your American Airlines account using your credentials. This ensures that your purchase is linked to your profile and makes the entire process smoother. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll find a search bar. Go ahead and type in Admiral Club membership and hit enter. This will bring up all the relevant options related to the Admirals Club, making it easier to navigate directly to what you need. From the search results, you'll want to select Admirals Club. This takes you to the main page where you can explore the different membership options and benefits available. It's a great way to see what the club offers if you're considering future visits as well. Once you're on the Admirals Club page, click on Membership. This section breaks down all the ways you can access the club, whether through annual memberships or single visit passes. It's designed to give you a clear overview of your options. Now scroll down the page until you find the section labeled One Day Pass. This is exactly what we're looking for. The one-day pass gives you access to the lounge for a single visit, which is ideal for occasional travelers or those who want to try out the experience before committing to a full membership. Next, click on Buy a one-day pass as a guest. This button will initiate the purchase process and redirect you to the payment and information page. You don't need to be a member to buy this pass, which makes it accessible to anyone flying with American Airlines. You'll now be directed to a form where you need to fill in your details. Simply enter the required information such as your name, contact details, and travel information. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate, as this information will be used to verify your pass at the lounge. As you continue filling out the form, scroll down to the lower section where you'll see the terms and conditions. Make sure to check the box to agree to these terms. It's always a good idea to quickly skim through them so you know what to expect regarding refunds, usage, and any restrictions. Once you've completed the form and agreed to the terms, click Continue. This will take you to the payment section where you can finalize your purchase. The page may take a moment to load as it processes your information. Now simply enter your payment details and complete the transaction. Once the payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation, and just like that, you've successfully availed your Admirals Club one-day pass. You can now enjoy the lounge amenities on your travel day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.